Hello, and welcome to Nobody Drives, the show where we dive deep into the cars that became legends. Today, we're talking about a machine that transcended its automotive roots to become a cultural phenomenon. Our journey begins with a wreck. In the iconic film, Brian O'Connor is handed a seemingly insurmountable task to rebuild a mangled, burnt-out shell of a Toyota Supra MK4. This wasn't just any car. It was a symbol of potential, a blank canvas for a street racing masterpiece. Brian transformed this scrap heap into a gleaming 10-second street monster. The meticulous rebuild, the late nights, the sheer dedication, it all contributed to its legendary status, showcasing that even from the ashes, a legend can rise. This transformation wasn't just about fixing a car. It was about forging a bond, a partnership between man and machine. But what truly powered this beast? The heart of the Supra MK4, and arguably the core of its legend, is its engine, the 3.0-liter twin-turbo to GAZ GT. This engine isn't just powerful, it's a myth. Tuners worldwide revere the 2JZ for its incredible ability to handle insane amounts of horsepower on stock internals. We're talking about an engine so robust, so over-engineered, that with minimal modifications, it could push out numbers that would make supercars blush. Its cast-iron block, forged internals, and bulletproof design made it the darling of the aftermarket scene, a testament to Toyota's engineering brilliance. The 2JZ didn't just power the Supra. It became a character in itself, a symbol of raw, untamed power waiting to be unleashed. Then there's the look. You can't talk about the fast and furious Supra without mentioning its unmistakable aesthetic. The bright Lamborghini Diablo candy orange paint job wasn't just a color, it was a statement. Paired with the aggressive Bomex-style body kit, this Supra became an instant icon, one of the most recognizable cars in film history. It was bold, it was brash, and it perfectly encapsulated the vibrant, high-octane world of street racing. Every curve, every vent, every splash of that audacious orange screamed speed and attitude. It wasn't just a car, it was a rolling piece of art, a visual shorthand for an entire subculture. Beyond its looks and power, the Supra carried a profound narrative weight. The line, "I owe you a 10-second car," cemented the Supra's place as more than just a prop. It became a powerful symbol of loyalty, redemption, and the unbreakable bonds forged in the crucible of street racing. This wasn't just about horsepower. It was about honor, about family, and about a promise kept. The Supra became the embodiment of Brian's commitment, a tangible representation of his integration into Dom's world. It resonated deeply with car culture enthusiasts, elevating the car to an almost mythical status, a testament to the emotional connection between drivers and their machines. And finally, the market explosion. The impact of the Fast and the Furious on the Toyota Supra MK4 was nothing short of seismic. After the movie's release, the values of these cars skyrocketed. What was once a highly respected but attainable Japanese sports car became an untouchable collector's item, a dream machine for a generation of car lovers. This wasn't just a temporary spike, it was a permanent rewrite of the car's destiny. Hollywood, through the power of storytelling and iconic imagery, proved it could transform a piece of machinery into a legend, influencing market trends and solidifying the Supra's place in automotive history forever. The Toyota Supra MK4 in the Fast and the Furious is more than just a car. It's a legend. It's a testament to engineering, design, and the power of cinema to create icons. It's why, sometimes, a movie doesn't just show a car. It creates a legend. Thanks for watching Nobody Drives. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.